Hey, business owners, pay attention. Unpaid invoices are killing your business. And if you don't act now, it's only gonna get worse. You see, every single overdue invoice is choking your cash flow, holding your business hostage. You're letting your money sit in someone else's pocket. And let me tell you, it's costing you a lot more than you probably think. Because here's what's really happening when you ignore those unpaid accounts. First off, you're missing out on your business's growth. That's money that you should be investing back into your business, but no, that money's stuck in limbo. Second, your cash flow is screwed. You need cash to pay bills, fund projects, and move fast. And without it, you end up dead in the water. And third, it's damaging your relationships because you're delaying payments to your suppliers and your employees, and that's just bad business. And do you think they're just gonna wait around and wait for it? And here's the kicker. The longer you wait, the harder it is to collect. After 90 days, you have less than 70% chance of ever seeing that money. And by the time the account reaches 6 months, it's cut in half. That's right, half. So you're basically giving up on your money if you don't act now. But here's the solution. Stop doing it yourself. You're a business owner, not a debt collector. You need professionals like my team here at Debt Collectors International to get that money back into your business fast. You see, we move quick, we get results, and if we don't collect, you don't pay us anything. So let us handle those overdue accounts while you focus on what really matters, and that's growing your business and making more money. And listen, if you're worried about hurting your client relationships, forget about it. We know how to handle collections professionally. We keep your reputation intact, all while getting you paid. So look, don't wait until it's too late. Every day that you wait to turn over those past due invoices and just allow them to pile up is another day that you're losing opportunity to get that cash flow back into your business. So visit us at debtcollectorsinternational.com or shoot me a DM and see how me and my team can get you paid.